Okay, alright guys, welcome back. Got some outside lights. Some guys cutting tile. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. Not one of the funnest days in the world, but outside all day here working on these outside lights. Quite a pain. First of all, I don't even know what to say right now, I can't even think. Had to pull these, the strings were already pulled in, but trying to pull the wire, or when we took the pipes off because they were screwing, like that one's just screwed in there right now. We took some of them off. Bunch of dirt fell in the pipes, and then some of them already had dirt in them, but it was just really hard to pull some of the strings pulled out or whatever, and then we had to use fish tapes, and there was a bunch of dirt in there, and it was just a really big ordeal. So some of them will have to get blown out with a stronger air compressor or whatnot, but got most of the wire pulled in and started to get, so the first three had problems, but here are the lights right here, so they're just sitting there all made up, so I just need to put the dirt back in the holes. So most of them are done. Just use seal tight down there at the bottom. So we just screwed in a reducing bushing, or upsized it from whatever, no, it went from 3/4 down to a 1/2 inch seal tight. So, and then into the light right there. It's like a PVC light, it's really weird. But that's what we got going on today. Just did a bunch of those. So I got one there. That one's needs some wires still. That one's fish tape still hanging out there, so hopefully that's not a problem. So just got a bunch of these done. So got another one over here, and over here. So this is a really short video, but I thought it was really long, so yep. Got another one to do over there. Alright guys, first official day at my new company is done. Totally don't want to work another day in my life. Nothing to do with the company, just a mood I'm in right now. But anyways, just not in a good place right now, just because something is going on in my life that's stressing me out, and it's putting me in this head funk, and I don't know how to deal with it. So keep me in your thoughts and prayers, good vibes, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just doing a bunch of outside stuff, outside lights. Luckily it didn't rain, that would have just even pooped on my mood even worse. But yeah, it wasn't really hard, but just really tedious and frustrating, taking way longer than it should. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it, or subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Subscribers have been about the same for the last week or two, so be cool to see that get a little bit higher. But anyways guys, I appreciate everyone who comes back daily, and for all the support. You guys mean a lot to me, and I will catch you guys in the next one. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. So one more thing I just remembered, I expected an 8-hour day and they were doing 10-hour days, so I was starting to pick up at 2 o'clock, and then I had to work another 2 hours, so I wasn't too happy about that. I didn't really know at the beginning of the day, but whatever. So it's like work 5 hours, take a lunch, and then work another 5 hours. It's kind of crazy, so definitely not used to it. I had 3 peanuts for breakfast, legit, so I'm all cranky and upset, all this stuff on top of dealing with all this other stuff in life. So it was just a rough day, y'all. It was a rough day.